crazy cuties, welcome to my channel. My name is Alex. If you're new here, we're cruelty-free ME who loves to play with makeup. If you've been here before, welcome back. Today's video is going to be I don't know. I really don't know. I'm at this point, things just, my depression keeps going up and down, and it's just, things have been added where I have to make decisions to keep my peace. I don't feel like talking about it because I don't feel like really talking about it, but it is what it is. So I am just gonna have a little fun with makeup. That's what I'm gonna do. Have some makeup therapy. Most of the products I will be using in this video will be a Liveglam because I have a video for the Liveglam subscription, and so I decided just like, in order to do a look, let's go for Liveglam because I really like Liveglam. So, very excited. Sorry if you hear cats in the background noise or anything, or moving my camera a little bit. It's because my cat is going to look cray a little bit. It's just like this. So, yeah. My depression and anxiety have just been a little bit off. Well, my anxiety has been anxiety, and depression has been a depression. And I know a lot of people who commented on my videos and have messaged me saying your energy is off. And I'm like, yeah, my energy is off because of what's going on at my home. And I'm just like done with the aggravation that's coming on. And also I've been working, and I've been working a lot. So my social battery has been going down. It's like, yeah, I only talked to a couple of people anyway. Talked to my friend Christine, I talked to my boyfriend. It's just, and they've been helping me a lot. And also I've been going out, I've been socializing a lot more because of my job, so I have to socialize. But also I haven't really done anything just for me, like as in keeping my peace. Around this time, I've already said I've been doing a lot of healing, and my healing has just been like, I'm not the person I was 14 years ago. If I was the person I was 14 years ago, if anyone had really attacked me or anything like that, or put me down, I would just freaking go off. And now I have anger issues. A lot of people don't realize this. I have major anger issues. And granted, it has calmed down because I've been doing a lot of stuff for myself. I play video games that keeps my anger issues down, and I'm just like, yeah. So, I'm using a birthday suit from Liveglam, and this is the shades. Now, I was going to go with green because I am going with green. But I decided, since I have not played with this eyeshadow at all, I decided let's go ahead and play with it. Why not? It's called birthday suit. And yes, I used to live with a nudist, and that as a teenager, and that was my abuser. So it's quite interesting to, like, your abuser was a nudist. Seeing a 50-year-old, something-year-old woman, everything, it's kind of like, oh, no. Ew. I just know a lot of things have been changing, and right now, I don't know if it's my depression, or my healing stage, because I really don't give a damn what people think of me or what they say to me. At this point, I really don't care. I just don't at this point, because I used to be a people pleaser. I want to make sure people are happy and everything, and I got to the point now, like, I don't give a damn if you're happy or not, as long as I'm happy. And if people are making those decisions for themselves, good for them. Good for them. Sometimes you gotta tell your friends, like, hey, you overstep boundaries here, and I don't appreciate that. Make sure you do it privately, because to me, if you don't do it privately, it's gonna cause some issues. Shade called Cheeky. It's so pretty. I like this color shade. I really don't have this color. But, you know, I've kind of learned too, like, I'm learning people's boundaries, And also, I've kind of learned to, if I don't know their boundaries, I kind of have to walk on eggshells. Or like, I feel like I have to walk on eggshells. Because I'm the type of person, I'm very blunt. Like, I guess that's to my personality. I don't like it when people are sugarcoating things with me. If you got a problem, let me know. And I'll seem to fix it. Sometimes I catch myself. Sometimes I do catch myself, but I like to give them the chance to correct myself and realize, oh, I've done messed up. But you have to give me that chance to fix that. If you tell me that, oh, I've done messed up, but you're not going to give me a chance to fix that, to me, I feel like I'm flawed. Like I'm a damaged good. Like I can never do something right. Like I'm not ordered to be fixed. And that's due to that's due to what I have to deal with. I've dealt that with my abuse past. Bad enough that certain people have treated me, I want to say in person, have treated me like I'm a damaged good. Like I don't like being treated as that because I have flaws. I got issues. But I don't like to be pointed it out like I got issues, you know? Freaking sucks when people do. Like, Shaw used to do that to me. Oh, like, if I talk about certain thing that happened, oh, and she wanted one up me. I'm like, why the fuck are you wanting up me? Because I'm at this, like, I want to tell my story of my abuse things and what I have to deal with. But one thing I'm scared about if I do, especially in what happened in 2010, I'm scared that people are going to use it against me. I feel like I'm going to be abused by using my past against me. Because one thing I know for sure, that it's going to bring back the old me. Because I'm very defensive. To this day, I'm still defensive. People tell me, look, I'm not her. I'm not this. I'm not Candace. Oh, I'm not her. But when you attack me or say certain things to me, it brings back that memories and I'm back to defensive. And I'm still working on that a lot. But I do want to tell my story because I feel like people are never going to understand. I don't want people to understand. If I do, it's not like I want people to walk on eggshells or anything like that. I don't want people to walk on eggshells. I want people to just treat me as a person, as a human being, and treat me as an adult as I am. I may look 15, but I'm not a freaking child. I hate when people do that. When people treat me as a child and like, why the hell are you treating me like that? Because there's no reason for that. And I'm very careful of who I talk to now these days because I'm getting to the point now that I just want to stay silent and just don't want to talk. Because sometimes I feel like people just do certain things to me and I'm just like, I get confused because I'm an empath doesn't mean I can read your freaking mind. I'm gonna find out. I watched this guy on Instagram and he talks about empaths. And I listened to him because he makes totally sense. I said, I'm a dark empath. I forever will be a forever dark empath. But it totally makes sense what he says. But also, too, I think that's where the spirits come to me a lot, too, because I'm very blunt. Because an empath, I'm a dark empath, 1. 2, I speak to dead people. And sometimes there's messages that I put out there that people need to hear. Sometimes it's not the right moment. Sometimes it's not the right time. But when is it ever the right time or the right moment to tell a message? There are things I have to talk to people a lot because their loved ones or something, their loved ones, their friends, whoever who passed, I have to send that message. Because it takes a lot of energy for a spirit to talk to me. I don't care if I have to step on toes before I have the message. Because that's not my job. My job is to say what the message is. Sometimes the messages that I send is very comforting messages. A lot of people don't understand that. And I also don't like it when people trying to say, that's not what the spirit is actually saying. And it's like, Or they're trying to tell me, Char used to do this to me a lot. Telling me, what's the laws. I'm like, I don't tend to argue with people like that anyway. You think that, and when you have to answer to them after you die, then there you go. Sorry if I'm talking so much. It's just what's going through my head. Okay, I'm thinking I'm just going to go with the nude, the shade nude, because this is a nice pretty color. I think like. I'm sorry if I step on toes. Then I'm gonna use the mascara. It's really nice. I like it. Especially what's been going on with the weather. Especially the two hurricanes, Milton and Helene. I do pray for those families who lost loved ones. Especially what I saw in the news. I do go my love and my prayers go out to the loved ones who lost their loved ones. Children, especially children, man. It really does sucks, and it's sad. And I can't help them to feel comfort, because it's never going to be easy. And grieving, it's not going to be easy. Now I can say to you, to anyone who did lose someone, they're always going to be with you. You're going to have memories of them. They're going to check on you periodically, and tell you everything's going to be okay. But in reality, that's not ever going to help to say or anything like that. Give them a hug is which I can do, because that's my only that's the only thing I can do that I really want to do. If there's any places that are donating, donate anything, money, donate anything that can help. Now it'd be nice if Liveglam came out with some like primers, like dewy to oily, and just say, hey, what your skin type is, and they actually do something. That would be cool. Do some highlighters that works on everybody's skin tone. That new blush that came out, I don't know, was supposed to be that lavender color. That highest brand that I will never buy because it's expensive as hell. I'm gonna tell you one thing, that blush that's supposed to be works for everybody's skin blush, that's supposed to work in everybody's skin tone, that's just stupid. I mean, no, I'm sorry. I think that's fucking false advertisement to say that works on everybody's skin tone. I'm sorry, that color of a blush, especially that particular shade, will not work on everybody's skin tone. Now, I don't think it's gonna work on my skin tone. Number one, I have a neutral underbase. I have an undertone. I can tell you one thing, that shade probably wouldn't work on me anyway. And that's the honesty, because I don't think that color would work as a blush. Maybe a highlighter. I could see that as a lavender highlighter that would probably work on everybody's skin tone. But as a blush, hell the fucking no. I'll call that shit out. And a lot of people are calling that brand out, but hell stock will I use that blush, that shade as a blush. I don't really see anybody using that kind of shade of a blush. Yeah, I think I said something on the live stream last week or so about the collection from Beauty Creations, the Corpse's Bride collection from Beauty Creations. I've done a first impressions video on that, but it got corrupted. And I can tell you one thing, it's a good one. I like it. But like I said, I don't want anybody just like, sorry, that was my fault. I think it worked. Okay, there we go. Like, being an empath and speaking to the dead, it has its moments. Like, certain times I'm like, no. Of course, all the products I used in this video will be linked down below. If I do have affiliated links, it's going to help the channel out. I don't know why I choose this one. It's Colourpop, not Liveglam. I actually like that color combination. And I really like the color combination with those. Depression is an up and down thing. Anxiety has pretty much been up and down, but mostly even. My healing part of me is still healing. I'm about forever. I think forever. I'm just seeing a lot of stuff in my life and what's going on right now. It's like, look, I need to heal from that. But I'm not going to change for anybody. I'm not going to change for anybody. I'm not going to change my attitude. I am not going to change who I am, but I'm going to be considerate to others. If you do like this video, make sure you hit the like button so you want to see more videos like this. If you want to be part of the Crazy Cuties clan, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Yes, we might be a little crazy, but we're cute at the same time. And make sure you hit the notification bell so you'll be notified of any new videos that I upload. I hope you have a wonderful day or night wherever you're at. I love you and God bless. And God bless for those families just having a difficult time right now. And love you. Bye.